I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to transfer your balance from an old Lebara SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you begin, make sure that both the old and new SIM cards are active and registered under your name. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 2. Gather information. Take note of the phone numbers associated with both SIM cards, as well as any PIN or security codes you may need. Having this information handy will streamline the process. Step 3. Dial the transfer code. On your old SIM, dial the specific balance transfer code provided by Lebara. This is usually a short code that will initiate the transfer process. Step 4. Follow the prompts. After dialing the code, follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to enter the phone number of the new SIM and confirm the amount you wish to transfer. Pay attention to any confirmation messages. Step 5. Confirm transfer. Once you've completed the prompts, you should receive a confirmation that the balance has been successfully transferred. Check your new SIM to ensure the balance has been updated. Sometimes the transfer may take a few minutes to reflect on the new SIM, so don't panic if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helped you with your balance transfer.